What's going on, y'all? RJ with RJ's Trades. We having another episode, back-to-back episodes of Trade Talks with RJ. What is it, episode 13, 14? Something like that, all right? So we on 13 or 14, man. As always, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I'm asking you guys for my expertise here, all right? I told you guys, watch out for Shopify, okay? Shopify absolutely took off. Once again, this was an ascending triangle chart pattern. Okay, when you're trying to do chart patterns, you have to understand when you learn this trading stuff, you gotta do this stuff in sequence. Okay, you have to learn the basics, right? If you don't understand trend lines, you understand trends, you understand levels, things like that, you will not understand chart patterns because chart patterns are made from a combination of trend lines or a combination of trend line and a level. Okay, just like here, this ascending triangle pattern, this is a trend line, here's a level. All right, we need to break the level to go higher, and you see above this level we actually pop from that 12 area that I said that take it above, pop all the way up to 17 in a single day. All right, so we absolutely banked on that, man. Let me show you guys here real quick. We made some money on it in the chat. Man, I'm mad I didn't go heavy. I thought we would get some type of pullback. It literally just blasted, man. So yeah, did pretty decent on that. Everybody kind of ate on it a little bit, man. Let's see. I think we had a couple more. Shout out, shout out to Nightly, man. Look at that, 130, 424. All right, and this off a single trade, guys. So if you guys do want to tap in to the community, make sure you guys do so. All my links are in the description below. Let's go ahead and get started today, man. We're gonna just be talking about what do we expect next, okay? The market is near all-time highs, and I would be lying if I told you that I wish we wouldn't pull back, all right? Just because we are kind of just inching up, inching up, inching up, inching up. Usually when we just inch up like that, a lot of times you will get like a short down move just to keep moving up. We do also have a little bit of the bearish divergence here. You can see we're making higher highs on the candlesticks. We're making lower highs on the RSI, right? So that is bearish divergence just a little bit, but we'll see what it looks like if we get towards the all-time highs. We're literally right there at it, guys. So I'm probably gonna be mostly day trading, but let's see what setups we have, man. I'm gonna see if I can find you guys some plays here. Once again, man. Once again, guys, just leave a like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. All right. Share this to one person, man. All right. QQQ right here at all-time highs is literally just a few dollars away. Um, I'm still looking for bullish plays, right? So really, you can still watch Shopify. Probably at this point we just take it above 117, but definitely watch Shopify. Palantir took off today, man. This is one that I actually missed, right? I missed this while I was at work. But Palantir came up and got rejected at the level early, right? So you never take something just because it hits a price. You watch and see what the price action does. Notice that it got pushed down at the level, but when it broke it here, when it finally broke, take a look at this volume, okay? Take a look at that volume as it was breaking this level here, right? So that was a super smooth play. I wish I was watching the market at that time. That was pretty good, all right? So I'm definitely gonna keep Palantir on watch for a day trade. Just really just looking at keep taking it above the highs at this point. It's at all-time highs. So when things are at all-time highs, I just kind of like to play the whole numbers. So it would it get to like 139, so 140, 141, 142, probably all the way up to 150. That'll probably be the next psychological level, all right? MU. I still like MU. MU really didn't give a day trading opportunity, but they do look good. They are holding above the level, so I either want to see MU give us a dip buy down here at this key level around the 114.5, or for us to just be strong and to continue to push upward, right? So either way, so MU and PLTR shop still on the watch list, right? It ain't broke, don't fix it. Why fight the strength, okay? Let's see what else we got. What else we got here? Any new setups? Boeing. I'm waiting to get in a Boeing swing. I want to see it drop back down a little bit more, but I'm probably gonna get back inside of Boeing there soon. DDOG is retesting some levels here. If it gets strong up around here, I think DDOG could be good for a re-entry, especially we kind of dip below and have a really nice strong candle back above. I think DDOG could possibly be good. Hims is definitely on my watch list. I have my alert set for Hims. I'm looking for Hims to possibly break out again, man. Especially if it starts getting above 59, 60. I think that's where I want to start taking my shots around there. Now Hims does move kind of weird. I will warn you. It moves very, very fast. Okay, but you know, if this thing breaks out, I think we can see a crazy move. Okay, so Hims is no stranger to making these nice moves like this right here, right? We see these big time swings on Hims, right? We got a big time swing here, right? Big time swing here. Now we got a bull flag pattern, right? I could even, nah, this, could I see somebody say it's a cup and handle? Usually I see cup and handles are kind of at lows a little bit, but definitely a bull flag nonetheless, right? So I do like him. So above 59, 60 area. If you want my exact entry, make sure you guys join the Discord, man. Join the Discord. All right, Google sold off a little bit. Not really set up at the moment, unless we got one on a smaller time frame. No, I'm not really seeing one on Google. Nvidia having a little trouble up here at the resistance around 144. Oof. I do see this right here. Now we do have bearish divergence. I'm not gonna lie. Bearish divergence is best used at resistance. So if I was to take a short position, it would definitely be here. It would definitely be up here if I was to take a short position on Nvidia, which I hate to short Nvidia because I am a shareholder, but the charts are the charts, right? And it's not like you expect this thing to just come all the way down back to the lows, but probably give you a drop back down here around 130 maybe. That could possibly be a play. We'll see. There's some crazy bullish stuff. I'm sorry, bearish divergence though at resistance. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna see about that. I'm gonna see about Nvidia, especially if it starts to fall. I'm gonna see about them. What else we got? Apple. Shout out my guy Lawrence, man. Lawrence been kind of bearish on Apple lately here. I agree with him. It looks kind of bearish to me. I mean, Apple just hasn't. The giant just kind of feel like they're stabilizing a little bit, man. So we'll see if they are able to do anything. But if this thing starts to break down, especially we start getting under 90, 193, 192, Apple could get ugly pretty quick. Could even go back down to these lows down here around 167, 168, possibly even 164. So definitely watching out for Apple. The Dow, not interested. Tesla. This is interesting too, right? Because Tesla actually kind of rejected, not a big rejection, but opened up here around right at this level that we needed to break to fall. Now we're retesting it. We kind of rejected it today. So we're kind of at rejection points on the market. You got Amazon here, and this is another type of candlestick pattern here. Super close. Super close to being what's called a bearish engulfing, right? So it's very, very close. Very close to being a bearish engulfing. That's basically when this entire candle engulfs the previous candle, right? That's the engulfing, okay? That's gonna be interesting. Meta looks like the same thing. Meta may actually even be a full engulfing. Almost was, right? Almost was. Microsoft just been pushing up. I mean, nothing really there. DAL had a little sell-off today. Bitcoin at 108. Robinhood can't really do much besides keep playing the highs on that if you're gonna play it. So, I don't really see a whole lot. I don't see a whole lot today, guys. Just gonna be honest with you. Probably just look for some day trading opportunities, or may even take tomorrow. Maybe even take the rest of the week off. I don't know. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna take the rest of the week off. I don't know because you never know what opportunities show up. But my birthday is next week, man. I'm gonna be traveling to Mexico for my birthday. I'm super excited, man. Let me know if you guys have ever been to Mexico down in the chat. Let me know if you guys have been there. If you guys enjoyed it. I plan on doing some cool content out there. So I'm excited, man. But yeah, just kind of gonna be watching things. I see we got some bearish divergence across the market a little bit, so I'm just gonna be aware of that, right? And by no means am I bearish on the market. Um, I play the charts, right? I play the charts. I play the charts. I play what it gives me. That does kind of look like a rising wedge, right? It's kind of like a rising wedge, bearish divergence. Yeah, y'all don't know. We could see a little drop, but not anything that would be, you know, catastrophic. I would definitely like this one on Nvidia. I'm gonna be looking into Nvidia later today. Make sure you guys join the Discord, man. Join the Discord. If you guys want my entries. Once again, man, we just kind of scan through here. If I had to give you guys a watch list, definitely to the upside tomorrow. If we do get upside, watch out for POTR and MU. If we do start to get downside, my favorite downside picks, of course, you gotta always watch SPY. Watch out for Apple. Maybe even Nvidia if it can start, coming down. One thing though, kind of look out for is Oracle had a crazy move, right? Oracle, I think they had earnings, but Oracle popped up there, so it's gonna be interesting to see how the semis react in the morning to that. So that's really all I got there, man. We were just kind of chatting it up, man, seeing what we got on the market. I'm just being cautious. Probably gonna look to do more day trading than anything like we've been doing here lately. So watch out for PLTR. Watch out for MU. Watch out for HIMS. To the upside. As far as downside, look out for SPY, possibly Nvidia, possibly Apple. Okay, that's what I like. I may make another video tomorrow. Let me know if you guys want another video tomorrow, man. I don't mind. All right, you guys be safe, trade safe, don't do nothing crazy. Let's get this profit, man. See y'all later.